I'm going to walk you through step by step, and I will show you everything on screen so you can follow along. So first, you need to open your Facebook account and head over to Meta Business Suite. Meta Business Suite is where you manage your page, your ads, and everything related to your clinic's marketing. So this is where we need to set up your ad account. First, you need to create your ad account. If you don't have already, create a new account. You will write some name here. For example, it's dental ad, time and currency. If it is for your own page, you will check this My Business. And if you are giving permission to some of your client about your Facebook page, so you are gonna check this box. So next, and you will check this, and here it is, your ad account is created. You will go to Facebook and here is Ads Manager. You need to click this. That's the ad manager. We are gonna click create. These are our ad objectives. For example, first is awareness. If your clinic is new and your target audience in your area doesn't know about your clinic now, so you need to run awareness and traffic ads so you get the engagement, you get the eyes on your clinic. But if you are already in and you want more patients, you are gonna select leads objective. Let's do that. First of all, you will name that campaign. The name can be anything, it just doesn't matter. You will leave buying type and campaign objective as it is. Campaign objective and ad set objective. So basically, campaign objective means Facebook decides how to split your total ad budget across all ad set based on the performance, right? And ad set budget means you control exactly how much each audience or your ad set spend individually. So these are two options. If you select campaign budget, you are gonna set the budget right now, and if you select ad set budget, so you will select on next level, ad set level. You might be wondering, if you are new, you might be wondering what is campaign and what is ad set. So a campaign is where you set your main advertising goal. For example, here we remember we selected leads just a few seconds before. So that's our campaign. We are selecting. We are choosing our objective as campaign. And ad set is where you define your audience, budget, you schedule, and your campaign. For now, we are going with campaign budget. And for example, you have a dental practice and you want to run the ad for a month, like 30 days of period of time. So you select the lifetime budget. Let's say it's $1,500. Okay. Now, this is the important point. If your dental practice has a front desk member who responds to calls all the time, so you leave it here untouched because you don't need that. But if you set a schedule for your ads, like your clinic performs or your front desk member performs 9 to 5, so you need to select that 9 to 5 time period from Monday to Friday or whatever days you work. So when the ad runs, so your front desk member can easily respond them and you don't lose the leads. So when you do select that, in the next step, you will get the at ad set level, you will get the option to select timings for your ad. You just click that, name that ad set. It can be anything. Conversion location, you need to select it. It can be anything, but for dental leads, the best option is to your Facebook page must be assigned here. Okay, let's go back and see what happened. I guess we skipped A/B test. It is where you A/B testing means you first run your original ad, then you try a new version, and then go back to the original ad, just so you see if the change really made a difference or if it was just random, right? So you can just see like it was not just random fluctuation or some external factors that made XYZ results happen, if that makes sense. You don't need to click that, turn that on for now, because we have not already ran any ad and we are not testing anything. So let's see instant forms and messenger. Okay, but most of the time it shows only instant forms option. Dynamic creative, we need to turn that on. Dynamic creative lets Facebook automatically text different combinations of your image, your video, or headline text, whatever you put that with your ad. So Facebook shows that combinations in different ways to different people. Like it depends on audience's behavior too. So it can be showed up on stories and reels just to improve results without you having to manually create multiple ads. So that's why we need to turn that on. Budget schedule. Say you are running the ad, your dental practice running the ad for a month, right? So you will select the date of a month, and then your ad set your ad is on schedule. Remember, we selected that on the previous step. So you choose 9 to 5, for example, Monday to Friday, or if you work every day, you can select every day this period of time. If you already have some audience tested, so you can choose here if you trust that. If you don't, just leave it here and let the algorithm do its work. You will select location. For example, you choose Arizona. Chandler, Arizona, US. For example, if you select that, you cross the previous, and your TUD radius 15 to 20 is the optimum radius to choose. Sorry. So we see if our audience is broad. Yeah, that is pretty broad, and that's a good number. There are more controls. You can change the age. 18 is too less. It should be at least 22. Minimum age, custom audience. No, you just leave it here. All languages you should be selecting it. English all. Again, you name the ad. Your Facebook page and Instagram is aligned. In previous step, you make sure your Facebook page is connected with this ad. Facebook page needs to be selected because your ads are shown from that page. It is just how people know who the ad is coming from, right? If it makes sense. Without the page, Facebook doesn't know which business is running that as, and if your Instagram account is also linked, that's awesome. You will do either single image video or multiple advertiser ads. If you select this, so you will be only one image or video selecting, or a slideshow with multiple images, either one. Okay, so the purpose of multiple advertiser ads is to let Facebook show your ad alongside some other related ads, which can increase visibility and improve your performance. Okay, it can help your dental ad appear in more competitive spaces, like especially when people are actively looking for similar services. It is exactly like if a cosmetic surgeon is running ads and your cosmetic dentistry relates to it, so it can be shown up there, and ultimately it will improve your performance. Ad creative, you need to select image or video. So for that, you are going to go to Canva. For example, that's a design. You will name here your logo, name, contact information, your services, and you can search from templates too. Like you can get a lot of templates. We are going to select. Continue with that. So it is gonna appear here in different formats. Check that optimize creative for each person. So the primary text can be like friendly dental care in Arizona or something. You can write some hook here, your selling points, benefits of the treatment, and like give us a call at XYZ, your phone number. Like this is you can write it as per your whatever service you are trying to run ad on, or you can like attention Arizona special patient only $99, or you can write like crowns, veneers, implants, or tap on this post to learn more about our offer, new patient offer, or you can have a tagline or deadline valid till up to 1 month or 2 weeks, something. Facebook allows you to create up to 5 copies, so you can a little bit mix of them and try different variants. So Facebook test them, and Facebook can push the primary text or ad that is performing well, right? So do that. Headline is like, it can be attention Arizona special patient only or 99. So it or something different. You can make 2 or more copies of different headlines too. Okay. Description, like if your dental practice has a good Google reviews or your dentist have a nice presence, so you can write it like 5-star rated dentist and something like that. You will be adding some description. So call to action will be like book now and learn more about the post, not apply now, learn more. Okay, so that's how you make different changes and instant forms for Messenger. So you create a form here. Okay, name it leads for XYZ dental practice, whatever your name is, leads for dental practice. So if you want to make ad for get more people contacting you, select more volume. But if you want people with high intention, like the ones who are gonna book the treatment for sure, so you can select for higher intent for that. Keep it selected. So background image, that's optional, but you can choose some nice image here. Greeting. You can add another question. For example, are you from Arizona? So that you can filter out the leads. So if they say yes, they will be going to the next question. And if you say no, okay, so the leads who said yes to the first question, they are gonna go forward. So you can ask, are you from Arizona? Or you can like not a multiple but a short answer. You can ask for their number. So can you please submit your best contact number so we can reach out to you? Okay, so that's how you will get their phone number. For the description, you can write here like, we collect your contact numbers to contact you regarding this treatment. So you need to tell them, give them the information like why you are asking for their phone number. You can get their email, you can get their full name. If you want to, you can add more categories. Like it is good for you, like as much as information you can get. But for dental practice leads, that can be enough. But then you need to add privacy policy. Here I have already created one. You can ask ChatGPT for a lead form privacy policy, fill in the information and post it to Google or Google Drive and share the link here. You need to put the link here. Okay, message for leads. Sorry, let me move it here. You will write some closing message and a description like, wait a second, if you are in emergency, you can call us at XYZ, your dental office number. So now you have their number and they have your number. So it's like inbound calls. Okay, or call business view file suits you best. It is optimal to use call business, and you create form